in this video, I'm going to show you how to add images to your frames, how to fill in student names, how to move slides, how to delete slides, and how to make a copy of your slideshow. So when you click on the link, it's going to bring you to a Google slideshow that looks something like this. So the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to hit File, Make a Copy. We're going to make a copy of the entire presentation. Then you can name whatever you want your new name for this copy that you're going to add images to. So I'm naming this Copy of Virtual Art Gallery AP Studio Art 2020, and I'm saving it in this folder. You can choose which folder you want to put it in. You can create a new folder just for your art galleries. It's up to you where you want to save it, and then you hit OK. And it will open up the new copy that you're going to now add your images and switch it up to. So the first thing you're going to come to is this first screen, and you can click on any of these text boxes and change the text that's in these. So here, oopsie, you can change this to Coopertown Middle School. You could change it to whatever the name of your school is. You can, if you want to get fancy and change the fonts, you can, or you can leave it as it is. You can move these around a little bit if you want to, just by dragging and dropping. So then all your slides are over here on the left. Now I'm going to go to my next slide, and I'm going to insert some photos. So I'm going to go to Insert Images, Upload from Computer, and I have my images. This is just a little trick. Saved under Documents, and wherever I'm working, when I'm adding photos to something or working on a project, I always name it with the number 1 first, because that'll always put it in the first folder so you don't have to scroll through and look for all your folders. So it's going to be in this here, number 1, Art for Digital Exhibition. And then I choose the image that I want to insert and resize it to fit my frame. Now, some of them you may have to, depending on the orientation of your artwork, you're going to pick different pieces for different frames. Some of them you may need to crop when you get started. So get that centered. And then when you're happy with how you like it, then you just click on the text box below it, and this is where you put the student's name. Dana Smith, okay? So say maybe you don't even want the text boxes, you can simply just click on them and delete them. This presentation is completely editable. Okay, so say now you have all your pieces filled in, or maybe you want to move a slide around. Maybe you want this slide here to be your second slide. So you could just simply drag it over here on the left, drop it, and now this is your second slide. Some other things you might want to do, say you need to copy a slide. If you click on this slide and just hit Control C and then Control V, you can double a slide and then move it around. Maybe you need more square pieces or more rectangle pieces or more longer pieces. You can kind of move things around depending on how you need your slideshow to be. And to delete a slide, you literally just click on it and then hit delete. And you can get rid of slides if you have too many. So really that's it. You just select the images you want to put in your frames. You can delete them, you can move them. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and good luck with it.